front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching two apps you wish to use in this view in the background. I will start with Play Store and Chrome. Now, with both of your apps opened in the background, you need to access background apps and decide which one you want to use on the top half of your screen. I will go with Play Store. Click on the icon of it available at the top. Select Split Screen from the pop-up and then click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, you can either go back into background apps and swipe both, or hold this white line in the middle of your apps and drag one all the way up or all the way down. To close the remaining one, just click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!